Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the term 2 syllabus. In term 1, we completed 3 lessons. The first one was Internet Basics, second one Internet Services, and third was Basic HTML Elements. So now we are going to start the term 2 syllabus. In term 2, there will be 3 lessons. The firstly lesson 4th, images, links and tables. Fifth lesson, forms and frames. And sixth one, cascading style sheet. Firstly, today we are going to start fourth lesson. The lesson name is images, links and tables. This lesson is also related to the HTML. Dear students, as you are looking, one web page is here on the screen. This web page is showing one image. Till now we have bought one more image at the background of the web page, means we use the background attribute of the body tag for bringing the image at the background of the web page. Now how to bring the image individually, not at the background of the web page, how to bring the image individually separate from the text. You are looking, one image is here. How it can be displayed? For displaying the image on the web page, you can use img tag. Now I am showing you code of this web page. After body, you have to check. In the body, bg color is given light yellow, and after that img tag is given. Img tag, img, its full form is image, and it's having one attribute src, means source code. Which image you want to bring on the web page, we have to define the address of that image, and that address will be defined by using the src attribute, and that address will be written in the inverted commas. Here in this example, santaworkshop.gif, it is the image file, and it is displaying on the web page. I am showing you. You can see here. img tag is having one more attribute, that is the alt attribute. As in this example it is shown, alt equal in inverted commas image of the Santa hut. What is the use of the alt attribute? Here by mean of alt is alternate, means in some of the cases your browser doesn't support the image. In that case, this text will be displayed in place of that image. You can see on the top of this program, it is written that if the browser text base like example Linux not displaying the image, in that case alternate text will be displayed, and alt or alternate attribute is optional. If you don't want to write it, need not write it. So dear students, if you face any problem in this program, You can WhatsApp me, even you can call me also. Thank you.